showing you the motor trend. All-weather floor mats. I have a 2021 Toyota Venza hybrid. This is the passenger side. I had to trim that area and this area so that it fits. It has these little teeth to keep it from sliding. It does slide, but you just adjust it. It's nice and thick quality. This is how thick they are. This is the driver's door. This is the rear. Goes all the way across. I had to trim this area a little bit to make it a perfect fit, but I really like the quality of this design, and I like the teeth on it. It's a fairly good thick material. Not cheap, good quality design.